What's going on, guys? So, update on the Supra. So we got the motor out. Mike's been here all day giving us a hand. Chad's been here working away and giving us a hand. So I started cleaning up the block a little bit. You can see here. Get the light here. You can see here I got it started cleaning. We're gonna get a good pressure wash on it, but you should get the idea. But yeah, so right now Chad's just pulling the valve covers off. Just gonna have a quick peek underneath. Make sure everything still looks good. I'm gonna pull the pump off, the front timing cover and all the good stuff. So, and then the car, we got the steering rack. Chad found one from, what did you say it was, a Crown?
79 Capri.
Capri, yeah, Mercury Capri. So it's a nice rack. He's gonna see if we can't figure it out, because that's what a lot of guys use in these MK3s. So we have the transmission. We're still gonna pull that out also. The exhaust, the ABS unit, and then yeah, we're still gonna get the body work done. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update, show you. You can see the car was red before. But yeah. Just come a long way in about 2 days, you think?
Yeah. Where's the clutch out? Show them the clutch.
Oh yeah, so the...
After what, 7 years of abuse?
7 years of abuse. Well, we got the clutch here. You guys can see. After 7 years, there's still quite a bit left on the pad. Right? And then I'll show you the flywheel. The flywheel's some nice. Still in really good shape. Right? So we got that. We got the wastegate, the blow-off valve. We put all the parts here, the starter and everything, throttle cable, the old turbo, the old manifolds here. Mike's still gonna be making up the other one. Dogs are just hanging out. But, yep. So.
Oh, just look at this if you want.
Yeah, might as well. Just plugs. There she is.
How's she looking?
Looks
mint.
good.
It looks mint.
Yeah. No wear or anything on it.
Nothing.
Nope.
Like after what? Like, this is the first motor I slapped together
Man,
when
that's
I was
brand
16
new.
years
Look at
old,
that.
man.
Yeah, she's been together for a while. Chad
I
rebuilt
put like
it.
55,000 motors together since then,
Yeah.
but this is the first one, dude.
Yeah. So it had bearings, ARP studs everywhere. The head gasket was done. The better cams. So these are the, what are they? You say?
They're out of a 7 MGTU.
GTU.
Not related.
Close to the same thing,
Yeah,
but
it's pretty much the
they're
exact same thing.
yeah. So yeah, you can see how it all is there.
They were just
You want to pull these out? Right
Yeah,
now.
you can, I guess. Yeah. That's dirty. Eh?
That's all right.
Yeah, it holds down with those. Kind of weird. Eh?
No man, the head looks really good.
Well, don't say that yet. We didn't pop this cover.
Well, get
Spoke too
going.
soon. Oh, man.
No, we're good for it. We're good for it, boys. Yeah, buddy, look at that.
Oh, dude, it looks brand new. It's ready for all kinds of red line. What a rating the ketchup.
Yeah. Got the light here. Give you guys a good
That
preview.
looks good, man. It's really good. This is a 32-year-old.
It's so mint, it's starting to tarnish.
That's awesome, dude.
I came out like every 2 weeks and turned this thing over by hand.
Just to make
As
sure.
long as it sat for years. Like for the 3 years it sat, I still came out constantly turned it over.
Yeah, so
good? 7M.
yeah.
Why?
You can see the ARP studs. Right?
How many
acid
kilometers
ARP.
were ever in this? Oh, this motor was acid dip?
Yeah, I got it all dipped and cleaned. I did the whole nine. I did it
Yeah.
right there, and then I did all the valves and seals. And
So yeah, boys, we're just gonna clean it up, go through it real quick. Just go through the front cover, clean everything, get rid of the green, get rid of the
show the green.
get rid of the teal, and yeah, it's either gonna go black or silver again.
Chevy orange.
Or Chevy
No,
orange, yeah.
no.
454 orange.
454 orange,
Yeah. Yeah. Or
Chevy orange.
Pontiac blue.
Yeah. Now, we'll figure it out.
All right, guys. So I just wanted to give you, like I said, a quick update on what Chad's got on the go. So we're gonna get this all cleaned, all degreased, all pressure washed, and then yeah, we can start doing body where we'll get it sandblasted. Robert's got a sandblaster we're gonna borrow, and we're gonna go from there. Once it's all clean, then we can actually get our hands on it and start doing body prep and whatnot, just like the side is done here that Robert did. So, but all right, guys. So like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you tomorrow.